Hey guys, okay, so I'm gonna make a lamb ragu. Lamb ragu, you can also make it with beef, you can make it with pork, but this is a slow cooked sauce that is beautiful. This is an easy recipe, starting with olive oil. Onions right in.
Do we have to add the onions?
You're picky. You don't like onions.
I'm like Emma.
Now usually when I'm making a lamb ragu, I like putting a fresh sprig of rosemary. Quarantine life, we don't got any. Dried rosemary, A, I don't like, and B, we don't got any. A little bit of chili flakes. Do you guys like it spicy?
Yeah. I never tried it spicy.
Yeah, you always eat spice.
But you only made lamb ragu once without spice.
This is just ground lamb, it's the shoulder, and it's going right in.
And how long would we cook it for or fry it for? I don't know if it's cooking or frying.
It's slow cooking. So there's gonna be a lot of moisture. Keep cooking it on fairly high heat. And this is until all the moisture comes out and it gets browned. More or less the water is drying now. And now a little bit of tomato paste, 2-3 tablespoons. We're eyeballing it because that's what Dad does.
Penne Pasta, that's what we always do. Hack from my dad, eyeballing it.
Did you say hack?
Yeah, hack.
So now a little bit of wine. You can use red. I like white because it kind of cuts through some of the gaminess of the lamb. And again, we eyeball this, right?
Hear the sound. It's like a sizzling orchestra.
So a little bit of salt. Akusi si fa akusi. No, just like that. Si fa o ragu. Akusi si fa o ragu. We're gonna lower it to medium low. I'm gonna put this up. Lid kind of half on or cover it. Voglio si mangia fra poco. Voglio si mangia fra poco. This is now done. Take a look at this beautiful sauce. Buttiamo la pasta. Yeah, you can try it.
Listen to your son.
It's hot. Oh, Sophia. Water comes to a boil. Salt. And that's what they say in Italy, your pasta water should taste like the sea.
The pasta.
There.
There's the meat.
Give it a stir. Whoa! Oh my gosh.
Who did this?
Not me. I just kind of stirred it too quickly.
Is that bad?
You mean is the pasta police gonna come after me? Quick little stir, and that's it. You don't have to worry about putting oil in the water or...
Who puts oil in the water?
A lot of people, they do silly things like put oil in the water, they throw it against the water.
Is that bad?
Of course, it's craziness.
Don't put oil in the ocean.
No, you just have to
Don't pollute your ocean.
You just have to give it a stir for about 10 seconds, basta, done. Pasta's ready. Okay, now this is pretty al dente. We're gonna save some of the pasta water. Why? Because it has starch to help make the sauce creamy and delicious. Now we're gonna drain here.
It's like a fog machine.
Ooh. Ah. Oh my god.
Very nice.
Heaven.
Okay, so give it a stir. See, George, you can't even see the onions. A little bit of cheese. And I like to finish it with grated pecorino. A little bit of,
Is that olive oil?
yeah, the good stuff. Okay guys, that's it. A simple penne with lamb ragu. Buon appetito. Let's go eat.